Yes, we are not helping the villagers. We are neighbors. Our responsibility is to look after our neighbors' well-being. So, Velsav, this beach circle, it is very close to our plant. So, we want to develop this area by doing this small circle development. In future, also we have some other plan to do in this area, so that together the Velsav people and our PPL can progress each other. Our aim is to improve the health, hygiene, and develop other recruitment areas like parks and other. Here hygiene point of view, as I told that earlier, we will be doing next future we will be doing, we are planning to do something in washrooms or something in future, in plan is there. So this is not nothing that we are doing something special to the neighboring people. It is our responsibility, and it is responsibility to uplift our neighbor also, and that's why we have associated with it. Here also people are very cooperative in that, in doing all those. Whenever we are doing this job, they have also cooperated very much, and they have guided us how to do, and they did not have any objections, and they even helped us to improve this working conditions of this area.
जुवारी एग्रोकेमिकल्स आमकां हें नांव म्हळ्यार न्हू आमचो मातसो लोक मातसो आबूज जाता, कित्याक हिंगा हिस्ट्री तितली बरी नासली. म्हळ्यार आतां प्रदीप फॉस्फेट्स ते न्यू विथ अंडर द न्यू मॅनेजमेंट, आनी आमचो तेन्ना तो CMO आहलो निलेश देसाय, तो आमचो गोंयकार, कळ्ळें तुका. आमी तेका मेळोन तेका मिन्स तेणें जायतें सांगलें की आमी लेट्स शेक हँड्स म्हूण. एंड दीस इज दॅट इनिशिएटीव, दॅट इनिशियल इनिशिएटीव जाणा जावं ते पोल्युशन जायन जायते हिंगा बोवाळ जाल्लो, आनी इट इज ओन्ली थ्रू CSR that villagers and the local industry can shake hands for the betterment of the village. So this is one such initiative. हांव मागता मिसेस प्रदीप फॉस्फेट्सा कडेन की तेणें आनी मुखार हे नितळसाण गांवचो आमकां जाय ती गार्बेज बी दिसती पडटा, ती आमचे पंचायताक मातशें आदार दिवचो की आमची गार्बेज आनी बारीक बारीक अशें आमकां आमच्या गांवाक न्हू, इट इज अ सेल्फ सस्टेनेबल विलेज. आमकां व्हडली अशें ना म्हळ्यार, बट इट इज ऑलवेज गुड टू हॅव CSR funding for for such minor works.
I really want to thank the company Paradip Phosphate for all the work they have done. In fact, this is not only the thing, they have helped us in many other things, and I am very grateful to them. And I hope they'll continue helping not only our body, maybe the next body which will be there also, I would require them to help Velsav village.
आयज आमी वेलसांव आसा इनॉग्रेशनाक आमचे बीच सर्कलाचे, जे पयलीं बांदलेले आनी ते व्हांवून गेल्ले, आनी ते आयज पारादीप हॉस्पिटलान रिपेर केला. एक बरी गजाल आसा, कित्याक आमचे कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीन 2 इंडस्ट्रियल एस्टेट आसा. एक वेर्ना आमकां लागता, एक सांकवाळ इंडस्ट्रियल एस्टेट आसता. बट कांय कारणां खातीर CSR जो फंड पळय आसा, विच इज मॅन्डेटरी for every industry to spend for the upliftment of the society, ती खूंय वेलसांव वाठारांत जायनासली. आनी म्हाका दिसता कितली वर्सांनीच पारादीप फॉस्फेट जी आसा ती इंडस्ट्री आमकां वेलसांवकारांक सपोर्ट केलेलें आसा. सो आय थँक द मॅनेजमेंट, द CMO सुरेश, आनी तशेंच करून आमचो वायस प्रेसिडेंट निलेश देसाय फॉर इनिशिएटींग दीस प्रोसेस. एंड वी आर होपिंग इन फ्युचर तो आमकां वेलसांवकारांक सपोर्ट करतलो.